you're experiencing a few problems with your Gamma Max trolley. I can explain to you how you can exchange the main components yourself in a few easy steps. To repair your Gamma trolley, you will need the following tools: an Allen key number 4 and 5, a Phillips screwdriver, a slotted screwdriver, a number 4 spanner and a pair of wire cutters. The Gamma trolley is made up basically of 4 parts. The grip with electronics, the lithium battery, the circuit board, and the motor. I'm going to show you how you can easily change the different components yourself. We'll start with the problem analysis. To begin with the grip, take the slotted screwdriver to carefully loosen the plastic cover to reveal the electrical plug, which you should push down and firmly pull apart. Test if the problem lies in the grip. Take the replacement grip which we have supplied you with and connect the socket to the new grip part to see if the problem is solved. If this is the case, I will now show you how to easily replace the grip. For this you need the Allen key number 5 and the spanner number 10. Take the replacement grip and slot it into the correct position. With a firm push and twist movement to enable you to replace the screw easily back into position. Finally, reconnect the plugs, making sure that you have a good connection. Then replace the plastic cover, pushing the wires back inside, and replace the cover. Your problem's solved and your customer can get back on the golf course within 10 minutes with his Gamma trolley. Replacing the grip hasn't had the desired effect, so we'll move on to step number 2, replacing the circuit board. Here you need to remove the battery. Take out the 4 screws with the Phillips screwdriver to remove the circuit board cover. Here we need to undo all the plugs. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, and number 6. Then the board can easily be removed. Take your replacement board, which is colour-coded, and put all the connections back in. cables carefully inside the casing and put the cover back on, securing again with the 4 screws. Carefully reconnect the battery into your Gamma trolley. This should have solved your problem to enable you to go ahead and test your Gamma trolley. So now we've reached the third and last point in our troubleshooting process, changing the drive system. It's very important to remove the battery whilst changing a part. You need to snip off the cable restraints with the wire cutters and slide off the rubber protection to get at the cables. Then unplug the 2 plugs, one at the front and one at the back. Remove the wheels and unscrew the screws at the side. And then lift off the drive system from your Gamma. Take the new drive part and place it in the correct position, taking care not to get the cables trapped between the parts. And then replace the wheels. Then simply reconnect the cables at the front and at the back. And carefully put the battery back in place. Thanks very much for taking the time to go through each replacement step with me. As you've seen, simply and easily done. So it just remains for me to wish you lots of successful golf rounds with your Gamma trolley from the Big Max family.